Welcome back to our next installment of our Tips and Tricks series. Today, I'm going to be talking you through a reoccurring task series on an account. Now, we know that tasks can be spun up from journeys, from playbooks, or even manually adding, but sometimes you need to set up a reoccurring task series on an account or a contact level. When you're on an account, head to the Tasks tab. When you click the blue Create Task button, you will see that there is an option here for a recurrence. Now, when you create this task series, you get to choose what the frequency of that should be. So should it recur daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly? We'll go here daily. You can see here that those options change. If I switch it to weekly, we'll choose which day it is, and we'll give it a start and an end date. You'll choose that you want to end it after a certain number of occurrences. And then when we go ahead and set that in here, give it a subject line, and when we click Save, you'll now see that series of tasks here, and it notes that it's a recurring event. You can change and adjust these tasks as needed, but these work really well here on a one-off basis for an account. You can also do this down at the contact level. Check in next week for our next installment of our Tips and Tricks series.